The day is done. The light has faded, and the outside world can wait. Now is your time to soften, to unravel, to return home to yourself. Let your breath be your guide tonight. Slow, quiet, gentle. You don't have to fix or change anything. You are not here to do, but to be. We begin in child's pose. Lower your knees wide. Let your chest melt toward the mat. Arms stretched or tucked beside you. Whatever feels most nurturing. Let your forehead rest heavy, grounding you in stillness, and just breathe. Let the back of your body rise and fall with each inhale. Let the earth receive you with each exhale. No effort, only surrender. When you are ready, gently rise and find your way into Malasana, Yogi squats. Bring your feet wider than the hips, toes slightly turned out. Sink your hips low, hands at heart center. Feel your spine lengthen. Feel your hips open and allow gravity to do the work. This is a pose of release. Of letting go of control and trusting your body to hold you. Slowly lower yourself down and come onto your back. Draw your knees into your chest. And gently open into happy baby pose. Hold your feet or ankles, letting your knees fall wide. You can stay still. Or rock side to side. Whatever your body needs, let it guide you. From here, melt into a supine twist. Stretch your opposite arm long and gaze toward it. Let your breath spiral through the spine. Soft, slow, soothing. Take your time as you switch to the other side. Let each side feel like a gentle reset. No force, just breath. Let release. Then ease your way into reclined, bowed angle pose. Bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees fall apart. Support your knees with pillows if needed. Place one hand on your heart, the other on your belly. Feel the rhythm of your breath. Feel yourself arriving finally in this moment. Stay here as long as you need. Eyes soft, jaw relaxed. Let the stillness wrap around you like a blanket. You are safe. You are enough, and you are allowed to rest. If you haven't already, begin to lengthen your breath, inhaling through the nose and exhaling softly through parted lips. This is your signal to the body that it's time to rest, time to shift from doing to being. Then slowly stretch out into Savasana, legs extended long, arms soft by your sides, heart open. Allow your whole body to grow heavy, and as if you are melting into the floor beneath you. If sleep calls, let it take you. If you are ready to transition to bed, do it slowly, gently, like a whisper to the night. Carry this calm with you. Let it wrap around you like a soft blanket. And as you close your eyes tonight, may your dreams be light, your heart be clear, and your soul fully at rest.